everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are brand new, my name is Ellen Moore, and welcome back to Trash Study YouTube, because I only have 11 subscribers. So, I know my channel is a mess, but we're going to be making some slime, and I'm in PJs because it's nighttime. So yeah, I've been reusing this bowl, but it's cracked. So yeah, I just bought like a lot of slime supplies from the dollar store. I'm not going to use most of it, I'm just going to use like some stuff. But yeah. So first I'm going to add, well of course, I'm pouring my glue. So yeah, I just poured in like half that bottle. I think I'm going to do purple. Well, actually pink. Do pink with blue sparkles. Ow, my arm, my elbow. Ow. That hurt. Okay, well, yeah, that hurt. I'm going to try to get you guys closer. And like, where you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, here. Yeah, okay. That's as good as I can get it, guys, because I can't turn my camera around. But yeah. So, that's that, and I'm going to have, I'll use this popsicle stick to mix with. So first I'm going to pour pink paint in there. I mean, I could do food coloring, but I don't want to. I like using this paint. It is actually really like a really good kind of paint. So yeah. Wow, guys, this is a really pretty color. Oh, guys, you can't see the color on camera. You can see like the color, but like it's not the good color. Can't see it on camera, dang. That is, like, I really want you guys to see it because it's so beautiful. So, yeah. Oh, you can kind of see it. Not really, like the exact color, though. So, there. Sorry for the background noises. That's my brother and my brother's sister. And my brother's girlfriend. I said sister. I'm my brother's sister. Well, of course I am. But yeah. Okay, so I put gel in there. If you guys, sorry guys, it's just they're making a lot of noise.
Okay.
Okay. Well, wow, that is beautiful. So I put gel in there. If you guys didn't know, I put gel in my slime. Not all my slimes, but I started putting gel in my slime, like the first time I started making slime, I put gel in there, and like I thought it was really bad, and then I did that again tonight because we bought some gel, which my brothers didn't need. Well, it was a long time ago. We bought it from Great Clips, and they didn't use all of it. So they barely even used any. So I started, oh my god, started using it for my slime. So yeah.
Can you see yourself?
Oh my god, what is that? Scared me. I have no clue what that is. Oh, is it your ringtone?
It's my, I have an alarm.
Oh, alarm.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, yeah, well, this smells so good.
Well, give me a
I wish you guys could smell it. Smell it, guys, smell it! Ah, it smells so good, doesn't it? Okay, well. Now I'm going to add in my glitter! Sorry guys if you can't hear me, but I have a lot of allergies going on right now. So like, I'm really sorry if oh my god, I used like way too much. I didn't use any yet, and I didn't use any before. Like, that's the first time I've used it. It's making a purple reflection. I want this to be really glittery, so I'm just going to add the rest of the thing. Because I'm going to Michael's to get more supplies. This was just because tonight my mom went to dollar store, so I wanted to get some slime supplies because I had none. I had no slime supplies. I had no slime supplies. I can't talk tonight. Had no slime supplies, so I asked her if I could get some, and she said yes. So, guys, it's purple, purple, purple. Oh, I really wish you could see that color because, like, you can see a color, but it's not the same color. Like, the beautiful purple. Oh, it's prettier on camera. It's way prettier on camera. Wait, no, it's prettier off camera. Like, it's prettier
I still see your
face to
shadows
face.
in my room.
Slime to face. Yeah, that's that.
Did you even hear me?
Yes, I heard you. You want sour cream?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add anything else in there. Am I? Yes, no, maybe so. I want to add some marbles in there?
Hey,
Yes, no,
watch
maybe.
your language.
Okay, I'm not going to. So, right now, instead of using borax, I'm going to use Tide because my mom bought some Tide for me. Because, like, I wanted to use Tide. Because it makes it stretchy without me having to use lotion. Don't worry, guys, I'm not going to use that much. I just put that much in. Oh, yeah, I stick my finger in there and, like, twirl it around so I don't get too much. That's way too much.
Mom,
Oops.
look at my Tide Pod.
Okay, well, I'm sorry.
What? I don't know how to stop it.
But you had to hear that. I'm so sorry.
It's like all over it.
No, like a little bit.
Wait, are you eating Tide Pods?
Okay.
Okay, you could die if you eat them. Literally, if you take a hot bag of water, that simulates your stomach. Put the Tide Pod in, and you'll see that you'll die.
I'm glad you've been doing your research.
I don't research, I YouTube.
That's still research.
No, it's not!
Yeah, it's considered research.
I just YouTube. I'm not a researcher. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Well, gosh, it's not stretchy enough, enough, enough.
Very research.
Oh God! No! Guys, fell!
I still see your pin. Take it back.
Okay, yeah. So that's that. Ooh, yeah. Ricola. Ricola. You are dumb.
Awesome.
Dumbly awesome. You're dumbly awesome. Just kidding, you're always dumb. Because he works at Tasty Freeze.
I'll work you, Jason.
Hey, I want pretend for food. Okay?
Yeah, she works at Tasty Freeze, but she's smarter than him. More educated.
Shut up.
Taylor is more educated than
I'm
Zachary.
Sorry, Albert, you can't even spell dirt.
Yes, I can. D-U-R. D-U-R.
You can't even spell it and say it.
I don't know how to spell dir, but I know how to spell the. T-H-E. I know how to spell canvas. Okay, no, never mind. Take that back. I do not know how to spell canvas, but I know how to spell air freshener. A-I-R freshener. It's A-I-R freshener. Air freshener. Told ya. I can spell it. I know how to smell air freshener. Oh, it smells so good. I know how to smell air freshener.
I'm getting it more. I'm just messing on a pocket.
Oh.
I see you're eating now.
Okay, yeah. So this is kind of taking a little bit. So I'll get back to you guys when it's like ready for me to knead. So yeah. Okay, 5 million years later, it's done. What is that? Okay, I have no clue what that is, guys. So, I'm pause the video. I'm sorry if they turn it back on and it annoys you. But that's fine. Really. Okay, so it's ready for me to knead. Well, it has been, but like I put more gel in it, so. Yeah! I don't know what they're doing. Oh, this feels so cool. I put the whole bottle of gel in there, so it should feel cool. I played with slime before slime was even hit. Because, you know, I have nothing else to do in my life.
I hate Jurassic Park.
I love Jurassic Park. I love Jurassic World, though, better.
We watched it in biology. Girl, are you rushing me?
Who's the girl? Oh, Zachary? Okay.
Who else would be?
Well, you and me, but like, in this situation,
Well,
Zachary.
who's more of a girl than we are?
Zachary.
Exactly.
Or Cameron.
Until what? Sorry, baby.
Okay, well, guys, this is just... I am really, like, tired right now. Really don't feel like eating this anymore. But yes. So I have to because, you know, it's slime. 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 My brother's girlfriend was going to eat slime. Well, she did, but not on camera, so. I asked her to do it again for my views, but she didn't. Oh no. I told her not to because she was going to die. But she did it anyway, and then I said, okay, I don't want you to die unless it's for my views, so can you do it again? And she said, no.
Oh.
She's not going to do it. Come on, just eat a little bit.
No, I'm not eating slime.
You just did, though.
You're completely correct.
Well, she's crazy. Because she ate slime. Woo. Why do I keep breaking these bowls? That's breaking. It's cutting me. It's cutting me. This is slime, people. Cheese. Cheese. Okay, well, I'm gonna put blue food coloring in it, and I will be right back. Thank you all so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, tell me if you like the color of this slime. Yeah, that is all for this video. I already said everything, so yeah, goodbye guys!